Locked out of your MetaMask and feeling the panic set in? Don't worry, we'll guide you through recovering your precious crypto assets. First, locate your secret recovery phrase, that 1-2 key you hopefully saved when you created your wallet. It's your lifeline. If you have it, you're in good shape. Now, if you don't have MetaMask installed, install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app, then click Import Wallet. Carefully enter your 1-2 secret recovery phrase in the exact order. Double-check for typos or misplaced words, as even a small error can prevent recovery. Create a new, strong password for your recovered wallet. Make it unique and different from previous passwords to maximize security. Congratulations! Your wallet should now be recovered with all your accounts and crypto intact. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is extremely important, so keep it safe and never share it with anyone. If you encounter issues, ensure you're using the correct secret recovery phrase, check your internet connection, and consider contacting MetaMask support for further assistance. Secure your digital assets.